Yes, sir?
Yes, yeah. Okay, guys, so I just opened the nut. So this is the pine nut, but the thing is, ants are eating them already. Can you see? So it is really the time to collect our pine nuts. So look at them. Look at these beautiful pine nuts. So I'm going to peel all this later, guys. Yeah. Okay, I will show you. Let's look. Wait, Hailey. Wait, show them, Hailey. Okay, let's try to open this one. Let's see what's inside. Look, it's empty. It's so hard. Some of them are so hard, and we need a special tool to open this one, guys. Wait. But if I crack this, look, this one, Hailey, yeah?
Yes.
Are you showing it to them, Hailey?
Yes.
Wow, yay, finally, look at that. So this is the pine nut, guys, and the taste is really so good.
Before good?
Really good.
I see this one.
Another one in here, but this one is not good. The other one. So we have to open them, guys, one by one. So once I will crack them later, once I finish cracking them, I will show you guys, okay?
Para.
Mira la de City. Ja. Komt er nog eens in de kop? Komt er? Wie zit er? Vine. Vine aquí. Aquí. Guapa, vine. Ven, vine.
Molt bé, vine.
Però és la manera, crec que és la manera, no?
Molt bé.
I ara ella mateixa li va bé calmar-se. Estem intentant entendre si és perillosa o no, mira. Però és valenta, la cabra, mira. Agafa la cota, sisplau. Molt bé, Beres, molt bé, sí. Així es coneixen.
Molt bé, Osa.
Mama, Alpina.
Si no...
Ella està demostrant que no té por. Està defensant els altres, mira, els altres com se posen darrere. Has vist?
Alpina baixa el cul.
Però la Everest tampoc vol, mira.
No vol.
No vol.
Mama, baixa el cul.
Molt bé, Alpina, molt bé, guapa.
Posa l'esquena, tanceu el llenguatge per aquí. No vol barallar-se amb la cova.
Sí.